Threats to the public cloud. Where a private cloud domain hosts computing resources for a single organization, the public cloud domain is the entirety of computing services hosted by a cloud, service, or internet provider that are available to the public and shared across organizations. There are three models of public cloud services that organizations may choose to use. Software as a service, SaaS. This is a subscription-based model that provides organizations with software that is centrally hosted and accessed by users via a web browser, app, or other software. In other words, this is software not stored locally but in the cloud. Platform as a service, PaaS. This subscription-based model provides a platform that allows an organization to develop, run, and manage its applications on the service's hardware using tools that the service provides. This platform is accessed via the public cloud. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. This subscription-based model provides virtual computing resources such as hardware, software, servers, storage, and other infrastructure components over the internet. An organization will buy access to them and use them via the public cloud.